Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July 14, 2022. We're going to talk about Harmony One today and see if this cryptocurrency is still a buy, because I did a video for Harmony One on the 21st of June. Let me zoom in on a chart, and I was looking for the market to go up, and you guys can see it. It did not even go up at all. But it's all I wanted to show you all to say that, well, all may not be lost from our original price prediction in Harmony One. So welcome everyone. Before I get started, before I talk about it, make sure you all hit that like button. And also subscribe here to the channel, because I'm here to show you examples as to how you can predict prices and how to maneuver when the market is acting erratically. So if you guys appreciate it, go ahead and hit the like button. And also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I really want to make sure that each and every one of you are keen to what is expected to go on into the future. All right, so check this out. I didn't get it right. You may be thinking that I didn't get my price prediction right in Harmony One. Now the question is, why would you think that? Because when I created the video back in June, I was telling you all that as long as the market in Harmony One was going to hold like 1.5 cents, that we can see the market still go up. That is exactly what the market did in Harmony One on June the 30th, all the way until like July the 6th to July the 7th. It still maintained that support area. So all in all, in the grand scheme of things, the probability of us looking for Harmony One to go up is still there. The only problem is the timing. We just don't know how long it's going to take for us to move back up to that 3 cents, maybe 4 cent price level. We just don't know. Now, let me show you why we may continue to see the market in Harmony One go up. Okay. Now the problem that I also wanted to show you too is this, right? I had this horizontal line here into the market in Harmony One, and you guys can see that the market, instead of it holding this area that I identified back in June, it broke it. It fell. And then it came back up on July the 10th, and it still showed rejection. That's a problem. That's a massive problem for us to even consider Harmony One coming into our price target area. See, we know that since this occurred on July the 10th and how the buyers could not break price above 0.024, that the chances of us seeing Harmony One break into our price target area is less likely to occur. Just because of that alone. I'm here to give you all the truth, to prepare you for what to expect. Since that day occurred, we need to take that as fact, that the probability of price moving into our price target arena doesn't look too keen right now. Now, what we need to do, let me go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, so if we were to get out the market now in Harmony One, we're down 30.5%. Yes. Now, like I said, we could jump back in on a prediction and still play the market move higher if we're suspecting that that's still going to happen. But guess what? Now we know how high we can expect the price to go, though. Not as high as 4 cents, maybe back down to 2.5 cents, because we got this rejection point on July the 10th. Okay, now let's get rid of that. Okay, let's get rid of this. And we got the foundational support area into the market in Harmony One as well, right here. Okay, so let's bring this down just a little bit, so we can compensate for where the buyers really stood up and kept price from falling any lower. Look at Harmony One on the 2-day chart. Okay. Now, what happened here? Okay. Was that time that we got that rejection on that daily time frame on July the 10th, right? So seeing that 2-day price bar is created, seeing that it is there on our chart staring us in the face, we would expect the price to continue to trend down, right? That is weakness right there. But instead, the market in Harmony One still closed higher. I think we found where the buyers are at. Because if the market in Harmony One did not find any buyers at that 2 cent level, it would not have closed higher than the previous 2-day price bar. But it did. Look at this on the 3-day. Again, we are still in the midst of a whole lot of people selling their Harmony One tokens in the market. Like, let's keep it real. A lot of people are trying to get up off their Harmony One tokens. The good thing, though, is that the market is buying it. There's enough demand in place to consume whoever is trying to sell their tokens into the market. That 3-day price bar that the arrows pointed down to resembles how much selling is really going on. So from that timing perspective, looking at this from a 3-day perspective kind of lets us know that we may not be ready to see Harmony One break outside of 2.5 cents yet, to move us into that 4-cent price target area that I had on my prior prediction. We may not be there yet. But it doesn't mean that the market is not preparing to do just that. Okay. Now, what do you think we're about to do though? Should we come in and buy this particular cryptocurrency now, or should we wait? How are you seeing the market now in Harmony One? Should we come in and buy it? Should we come in and wait until we get more indications on the chart that this is the buying opportunity? Okay, because right now the market here in Harmony One is definitely showing us some weakness. Right? So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm still looking for the market in Harmony One to ride higher. Basically, from a daily perspective, this is not like from a weekly to monthly time frame outlook. This is only on the daily. Okay? Because all of this volume down here at the bottom in Harmony One, seeing how the price is not necessarily continuing to go down, kind of resembles that this is where the whales are at. This is where the people are opening up their wallets and trying to come in and buy up this currency on the low. Now we break 0.016 to the downside. Then all of that volume was selling, where the whales selling their token into the market rather than buying. So keep that in mind too. Now, let me go back over to the daily perspective. And we're going to go ahead and put on a prediction. Okay. Now, I would definitely like to see the market on this weakness move that is currently in place. We're down 6.5% now. I would definitely like for the market to come in and bounce at 0.019. I would like that better, but I'm going to extend it all the way down to the last point that we've seen the sellers come in. The buyers come in. Okay. Now, first price target is going to be here at 0.02. 0.022. That gives us 9.66%. Second price target is going to be 0.023. That gives us 15.5. All the way back up to 0.024. That's the ultimate area that I'm looking for the market in Harmony One to go. Okay. Now, it's not a lot. Like I said, we're not in a bullish environment right now. So you just got to come and take what the market is offering to you. Okay, so that's the play. So just like I did in my last video, okay, even though the market did not go right in my price prediction, we are still suspecting that as long as the market holds 0.016, the chances of us seeing the market move higher in Harmony One is still there. Okay. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target into the market in Harmony One. Where do you think the market is headed? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.